Okay, I gotta try to do this. It's gonna be hard because I've only got one hand to hold the phone and do this at the same time. But anyway, so this is the butter right here, guys. As you can tell, this butter is soft, but it's medium soft, right? It's not soft, liquid soft, because you need to work with it, right? You need to stuff it. So what happened here? So this is already done already. So I stuck my hand inside the turkey. You see, it's just like putting a glove on. Stuck my hand inside the turkey all the way to the back over here, and then over here, all the way to the back over here, and then it's kind of stopped there. Right, because that creates the pocket to where the butter is going to sit. So we're going to rub all this in here right now, full of butter. All right, and so you basically grab the butter in your hand like this. You get it. This is going to be very hard for me to do because I've only got one hand here. But anyway, you guys get the idea, right? So what happened here is you stuff the butter in there, put the butter in here, all inside the turkey. Now I'm gonna give you guys a little trick here, right? And then I'm gonna start doing that properly. This is very hard right now. Like I said, I only got one hand. So once the butter is all in, like you see here, there's a big lump. You can go outside the skin like this, and then you can push the butter wherever you want it, and you just rub the entire breast of the turkey. So when this is all done, obviously afterwards, we are gonna be wrapping the turkey with bacon after it's been braised in the oven, just to make the top of the turkey nice and brown before we are putting the bacon on.